Hey guys, welcome back. We're looking over an ES trade on May 6, 2024 that worked out really well for us. It is a classic J period fail to liquidate trade, but I wanted to point out a couple of things that we identified early on in J period to really let us get in on that. We obviously, by the time J period rolled around, which is 11 a.m. Pacific, 2 p.m. Eastern, we were already well aware that there was an uptrend, there was no sellers in place, and as J period opened up, it became very clear right away that we were not selling off. Now keep in mind we're at the end of day today, so this halfback's up here at 91, but it was closer to 84 when we started this, and the value area here was at 91. So we identified that area of interest of 91, which is top of value. We put in a long trade at that level. It actually took us quite a while to get filled because J period would not liquidate and kept messing around in this 93, 94 area. It finally came down, filled us, and then within minutes we got the full on pop to 99 where we were targeting. If you wanted to re-hit that later, there was an opportunity with this L and N period not taking out J lows, another chance to go hit the highs that ultimately pushed into the highs of day at close and an N period. But this is just a great example of identifying an inability of sellers to come in, and with no selling, there's only one place to go, and that's to the top side. Let me know what you think in the comments below, and I'll see you on the next one.
Hi, my name is Martin from ShadowTrader SquawkBox, and I want to thank you for watching this video. If you enjoy this content, please hit the like and subscribe buttons. And if you want to trade with us live every day in real time, then look for the ShadowTrader SquawkBox link in the description below. See you in the room.